Under the gentle morning light, the town square stirs with life, each passerby absorbed in their own world. Amidst the bustle, a lone beggar sits in quiet desperation, unseen by the hurried crowd. The narrator's voice echoes through the square. In a small town, there was a beggar who sat in the same spot every day. Most people passed by without even looking at him. Until one morning, bathed in the morning's golden glow, the town square buzzes with life. Amidst the hustle, a wealthy man pauses, his tailored suit a stark contrast to the mundane. He looks upon a beggar with genuine interest, breaking the indifference of the crowd. The wealthy man offers a warm greeting. "Good morning. It's a beautiful day, isn't it?" The beggar responds with quiet acknowledgement. "It is, sir." In the vibrant town square, a wealthy man's affluence clashes against the early morning bustle. He pauses, a curious gesture as he retrieves a worn book, not money, from his pocket. The beggar watches with weary eyes as the wealthy man approaches, a silent anticipation hanging in the air. The wealthy man extends the book. "I always carry this with me. Perhaps you'd enjoy it." Amidst the city's relentless clamor, a ragged beggar sits defeated on the cold, indifferent sidewalk. Before him rests a tin can, a stark symbol of his desperation in the heart of urban indifference. Hope flickers in his eyes as an old man with a cane approaches, his face a canvas of wisdom and sorrow. The old man advances slowly, his cane tapping a rhythm of time against the unforgiving city pavement. Their worlds converge, a silent plea and a knowing gaze meet on the bustling city street. In the bustling city street, an old man stops abruptly, his eyes locking onto a beggar. His voice cuts through the noise. "What would you do if I gave you $1,000,000? The beggar remains silent, his expression unreadable under the old man's intense stare. The beggar's silence hangs heavy in the air. On the bustling city street, the beggar pauses, a slow smile hinting at dreams. He envisions a life transformed. "I'd buy some food, maybe rent a room. I'd finally live like a person." An old man's voice cuts through the air with a chilling proposition. "What if I offered you both of your eyes in exchange for that $1,000,000? The beggar's smile vanishes, replaced by a stark refusal. "No way," the beggar asserts, rejecting the dark bargain. He concludes, "I'd rather be poor than blind." Amid the city's relentless rush, a beggar sits, his weary face etched with despair, a stark portrait of life's harsh realities. The cacophony of the city fades into a muted hum, as the old man's lips curve into a gentle smile. His voice, soft yet profound, cuts through the noise. "You see, you already have something worth more than $1,000,000. His eyes reflect a glimmer of hope, a spark of resilience amidst the urban decay. In the imagined realm of the beggar's mind, a montage unfolds, capturing the essence of his senses. Each image pulses with life: his hands, weathered but strong, his feet, firmly planted on the ground, his very breath, a testament to existence. A gentle voice echo, "Your eyes, your mind, your legs, your breath." The voice continues, resonating with profound truth. "You're already rich, you just don't see it." The beggar sits alone, his gaze fixed on his weathered hands, lost in contemplation. The joyous laughter of playing children fills the air, a stark contrast to the beggar's despair. A spark of understanding ignites in his eyes as the old man's wisdom dawns upon him. The beggar sits straighter, a newfound smile gracing his lips as he embraces his worth. The music swells, mirroring the beggar's transformation as he finds joy in life's simple gifts. A lone beggar shuffles down a bustling city street, lost in the sea of indifferent faces. His tattered clothes and weary face speak volumes of his hardships. The city's indifference is a deafening roar, drowning out the beggar's silent plea. He pauses, his gaze fixed on his worn shoes, a stark reminder of his poverty. Narration: VO. So many of us feel poor. The beggar shuffles along the city street, his gait slow and weary, his head downcast. An elderly woman struggles with heavy bags, her face etched with strain. The beggar approaches, his posture straightening with newfound purpose as he offers his help. With surprising strength, the beggar carries the bags, his gentle smile reflecting an inner wealth that transcends his outward appearance. The beggar strides confidently through the city street, his presence transformed. In a simple act of compassion, he kneels to help a child retrieve dropped ice cream, a comforting word accompanying the gesture. With selfless generosity, he offers his last coin to a street musician, embodying kindness and inner peace. No longer a figure of pity, he becomes a beacon of generosity, radiating warmth and hope. A profound message illuminates the screen. Gratitude turns what we have into enough.